Well, give us an update.
Okay, this is Yves Moreau again, reporting live for CNN Atlanta. Another rumor has it that some frustrated countries like Norway and Albania, who were not invited to be part of the staff this year, may have had something to do with this. But again, this is not a confirmed report. This is not a confirmed report, but it is one of the possibilities that's being studied. A special crash team from FBI and CIA are here right now, studying all the evidence, monitoring satellites and other secret information on the airwaves and the phone lines. But it is a possibility. Again, we remind you, Norway and Albania are being prime suspects in this affair.
Wants to talk to you, sir. I'm the chief of police.
Again, everybody remains very calm here. There is a sense of solidarity and support. It is nice to see the Koreans hugging the Japanese.
Dancing.
It shows that when hard times hit, this is when we band together. And obviously folk dance is the key, obviously, to world problems and tensions in this planet, isn't it? Where are you from, madam?
Watertown, Massachusetts.
Watertown, Massachusetts? And what is your name?
Basha Jevanoska.
Could you repeat that again? Could you spell that for me?
I can translate it. Means Babs Hollyhock.
Okay, thank you very much. And obviously, are you a victim of what has just happened?
On a lifelong level, yes. But
Okay. I think I met your mother a while ago, and she seemed a little concerned. She doesn't know where you are. She's right here, madam. Again, this is CNN News, live from Stockton, California. The alarms are still on as far as we know. Or are those the crickets?
Yes, dear, that's
That'll be the day. Okay. I believe we have some Australians here somewhere. Where are the Australians? Hello. Hello. Could we have your name, please? Jenny. You seem to be very, very laid back about this whole thing. Is this because Australians generally are very laid-back people, or do you feel that this is all a false alarm and that we'll all be back dancing in a few minutes?
we have false alarms all the time.
They have false alarms all the time, folks. So, again, if anybody has any... Oh, I would like to interview this gentleman here. It all happened while this man was leading a dance. What do you think really happened, sir?
Nou, ik was gewoon bezig die dans te doen en plotseling ging die alarm af. Ik was me rot geschrokken, eerlijk gezegd. Nou, dat had ik helemaal niet verwacht natuurlijk. Ik snap het ook wel.
Are you from Norway, by
Ja, natuurlijk ben ik van... Natuurlijk. Ja, dat krijgen we nou toch allemaal, hè?
Okay, thank you. I believe you are from the Netherlands, is that correct?
Holland.
Holland.
Hollandistan.
Okay, but do you think that everything is under control and that we'll be back finishing your dance?
Yeah, we'll start with the second movement.
I hear music out there. Is this your dance playing?
Yes, it definitely is my dance. I think we should go back in the building.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Folks, thank you for your support. I'm going to sign off now. This is CNN News live back to Atlanta. Thank you.